making a video on Peux OS. This is a boot menu and the version of Peux OS is River 2023-03 edition. This is a live boot. I'm going to boot on a live mode, and you have some few settings here or few menu. Just click on the Peux OS River install media, which will take us to a live boot. It takes around like 30 to 40 seconds or maybe sometime a minute to show up the desktop. If the ISO file is corrupted, it will show some errors. If it's not corrupted, it's going to run smoothly. Welcome to the Peux OS. The ISO file is downloaded properly and was uploaded by the developers correctly. It takes like 40 to 50 seconds to show the desktop. Just few more seconds. It's almost like 15 seconds. I think it's almost done. In a few seconds we'll see a blank wallpaper, and then we'll have our desktop with applications, all these things. Here is the black screen. Here is our wallpaper. Every time you boot, it will change to the different wallpapers. I don't know if this is a cool feature or the Peux OS thing. Just few more seconds. I'm running on a VMware with 40 GB of hard disk and 4 GB of RAM with 2 processors. Here is our welcome screen. If you want to read, you can read by pausing the video. To start the installer, press Super L plus D, which is Windows key plus D. And to close everything, Super L plus Q, which will be Windows key plus Q. I'm going to type Windows plus Q. Let's click Windows plus D. Here is the search bar or finder, you can call it anything you want. These are all the apps. Let me go it slowly so you can see. A mouse pointer is not working. I don't know why. I tried a wireless mouse and a wired mouse, same thing. You can see it shows on the right side corner like there, but when you take it to the center, it disappears somehow. It's not even working. No problem. Let's use our keyboard. No, nothing is working right now. It just freezed. Let's try to restart. Nothing is working. Let's try to restart the VMware. Let's launch it again. As you can see, these are the settings of my VMware. Let's launch it in a live mode again. There's always problem with the peuxos. I tried to do a lot of videos on this distro, but every time I got some bugs or errors. Always this thing happens in peuxos. Let me know if you had the same problems while using this Linux distro, or it's just my PC. I don't know, but it is the latest processor in my laptop, which is 12th gen with i5 processor. I tried like everything, river version. We had something like gnome, I think gnome, and some version like i3 Tling or something like that editions, but the same thing happened every time. If you want, you can check that in my channel by searching in my channel. Type just Peux OS and you can see there. I want to make a lot of videos on this distro, but they have always had a bugs in it. Bugs and errors like this always happens. It is like I am making a video on third time like this today on Peux OS. It always had bugs. I should restart every time, but still the same thing happening. I'm recording like third time. As you can see, there is a different wallpaper now. I just want to make this video, but it's not allowing me to make a video on it. It just gives me some errors, bugs like this thing always. In the past videos too, I had issues with the peuxos. If you ever tried this peuxos, let me know in the comments below and share your thoughts and view on how does it work on your PC. Again, we have a welcome screen. Let's close this thing. Let's open Windows plus D. Time shift, sublime text. This is a file manager. Again, mouse pointer is not working, so just blindly click on port. The version is 1.2.1. Let's close this thing and click on Windows plus D again. Let's go to the applications. Even with everything running, it takes a lot of time to launch everything. Requires your password to continue. We don't have any password here. Let's type in live and try it. Some things is running. Let's open some of what is fish. Let's open this thing and see. They just put fish without any disclaimer or info about thing. Again, takes ages to load. Let me take you to their website and show. Let's open the Firefox browser. This thing is weird, dude. This Linux distro is completely weird for me. Again, Firefox always takes a lot of time in every Linux distro, but few Linux distros have Firefox which launches very fast. like my past video. Past video is like today's video, like peuxos. I made a video on peuxos. In that, the browser was very fast and the desktop environment was LXLE or LXDE. It was very fast, like instant. It opened instantly, almost like 2-3 seconds. That's it. And in this Linux distro, it is taking around 30 to 40 seconds, but still we don't see any Firefox thing. Let's open few apps. Image viewer. Thank God Firefox opened somehow. Let's click in tab. Let's go to about image viewer 0.13.0. Let's close this by clicking Windows and Q, Windows key and Q. Let's search PEUX OS. The first link is their website. Let's click on the tab and this is their website. Mouse pointer is not working, so I need to struggle with the keyboard, which is painful, but need to do this video. I downloaded the latest version. Where is the pointer? You can't see even the pointer. It's just going down. Let's go to SourceForge. Click on the sourceforge.net peuxos, and this is where you can download. Click on files. Again, something happened. Let's go back. Let's click on files. The password for the live user is root with all small letters. The latest version is PEUX OS reverse table 23.03 with a file size of 2 GB. If you want, you can just click on download. I'm just blindly using the mouse pointer because it is not showing anything. I can't see a mouse pointer. I made a highlighter in the recording so you can see this, but I can't see that. It is painful to click on anything. I don't know where is the pointer, mouse pointer. I'm just seeing just a few things. Let's try to open the tab and close this tab. We want Firefox browser later, so I'm just going to minimize it. Even to minimize it takes a lot of time, still painful. Let's click on window plus T, window key plus D. There's nothing in it, just few apps. Again we have a lag or stuck. A latest version with lot of bugs. Can't do anything. The stable version, this is still the same. You need to choose like a good desktop environment, or else it's going to be painful to even use this Linux distro. Let's restart it again. It's almost like 5th time today. I want to make a video on this Linux distro, but it's not allowing me to do that. Let's try this thing this time. I choose to copy to RAM thing in the boot menu. Let's see at actually even that works. Takes some time to load up again, almost like 30 to 40 seconds of the waiting time. Copying rootfs image to RAM. Let's see if it works. I will be happy if it works. At least let's complete the video and end the video. It almost took like 5th time to make a video, but nothing happening still. We didn't even open few apps or terminal. I think it's stuck there. Let's wait few more seconds and see. Mounted successfully. Welcome to peuxos. Every time I'm going to see this welcome to peuxos, but a lot of bugs. If you want to use some Linux distros like this, always try in live mode, and after you are satisfied with the live mode, go with the installation or install to hard disk if you want. Don't just blindly install the operating system or Linux distro directly to the hard disk, because a lot of Linux distros, not a lot of Linux distros, a few Linux distros have bugs. Even sometimes the Linux distro works good on live mode, but always after installing they have problems, because some of my viewers said that they had problems after installing some of Linux distros, like a Wi-Fi is not working, a printer is not working. Few of my viewers said that, and I never installed it on my hard disk, so I don't know what happens after installing. I always try to use the Linux distro in a live mode. Here is our new wallpaper again, with a welcome screen again, seeing for the 5th time. Let's close this thing and click on Windows key plus D again. We have the same thing. These are few of the apps. Sublime text. Let's open Htop. Mouse pointer is not working. Let's deal with that. And let's open Htop and see the process running and RAM, all these things. Even to run the Htop it takes ages. I don't know it is with this version or the same thing happens in every peuxos editions. Just for a Htop terminal command it is taking like almost like 15 seconds. That is weird for me, because I almost made like 1500 Linux distros videos in my channel. I never seen like this. I seen deepin with deepin desktop or deepin Linux. I always had a problems with the deepin. I hate that distro. If you like it, I have no problem with it. If you like or love it, no problem with it. But for me, it's never and no for me. I always hate the deepin desktop environment or deepin desktop Linux distro. And let's come with this peuxos. Again, stuck. Nothing is opening. I think let's end this video with this thing, because it has a lot of bugs. Can't even open the apps. Let's try it last time. It's almost like 6th time for me today, and I have no topic to do. I'm stuck with this Linux distro. If you have any Linux distros names, or if you have an idea or a Linux distro to make a video, let me know in the comment section. I'll make a video on it. Try to say the unknown Linux distros. So let's explore the new Linux distros. If you know anything new, just type in my channel and search. If I already made, so don't mention it. If I didn't make a video on it, just comment down. I'll try to make a video on it. If you know any Linux distros like that, a rare one or a unique one, let's make a video on it. Again, we are saying welcome to peuxos for the 6th time. We'll see another wallpaper this time. Again, the welcome screen. This is even painful to watch the Linux struggling like this. It takes like 40 to 50 seconds again. Bear with me if you're watching continuously. You're lucky because you can skip the video, but I can't. I just need to sit like this and wait it to the load. It shows like everything is working fine with this Linux OS, but again after just 2-3 clicks it stuck there forever. Again, new wallpaper. I wish they have time, instead of doing this changing wallpaper every time while booting, they fix their Linux distro. That would be very good. I tried every other editions too. The same thing happened. Sometimes mouse pointer doesn't work for me, sometimes keyboard isn't working, sometimes app menu doesn't open, and most of the times it just stuck there. Let's close this thing. If this thing happens again, I'm just not making a video again on the peuxos. I'm done with this, because a lot of times I had a problem with this distro. I'm not going to do any videos on this Linux distro because it's painful to make video and it's boring to you guys too. It's waste of making a video on it. Let's open the Sublime Text. Let's hope it opens. Thank God it opened somehow. How a person can make a video while mouse pointer is not working? You can see in my channel, there's the only person is me. You can see a mouse pointer in the video after the making, because I highlighted the mouse pointer. You can see, but I can't see. I can't even check the version of the Sublime Text. Let's try to use keyboard. Current version is 4.41.43. Let's close this thing and open some of other things. Let's try to open Firefox web browser. Let's try to install first. Let's see, at least it works. Usually installers takes a lot of time, so thank God it opened so fast. Here is our installer. A version of Calamares is 3.2.61. Language is English. Let's click on enter and see. Does it work? Nope. Need to take the mouse pointer here, click on next. Let's blindly choose some country. Thank God I got Los Angeles somehow. This is the keyboard. These are the partitions. Let's see the mouse pointer. Let's click on next. Here is your username, password. Let's type in run boxing. Let's try to go to the password. Can't do that. Let's use the keyboard. 1 2 3 4 5. If you using this Linux distro, you are a god, man, to be honest. If you are using this Linux distro on a daily basis, you are a god for me. Let's use keyboard once again. Let's go down. Let's type in the password. Use tab button again. Everything is good. Let's go to next. Not back, next. God. Click on next. Here is the summary and installation. That's the process of installation. I'm just going to close this thing because I don't want to install. Let's open Firefox now. Let's type in here Firefox and open the app. Here is the date and time, right side down corner, and here is the removable disk. What is this? I don't know what is it. Here is a screenshot. Here is a volume rocker. Let's close this tab. What is running here? I think that was the updates. I triggered something like. Let's close this thing. We don't even have a proper Linux distro, but we will have an update thing going on here. That is weird, as I don't want to swear this. Let's struggle and use this Linux distro somehow and end this video. What is going on the Firefox browser? Again, it lagged or stuck with this thing. Can't even do anything. Nothing is working. Windows key plus D. Nothing is working. Windows plus Q. Nothing working. Let's end this video and stop suffering from this mental thing. My brain is going weird. Let's end this video. Thanks for watching. Honestly, if you watched till now, you are a god, because while making a video it is painful. And let's end this video, and thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit this thumbs up button. I don't know what I am saying. Again, thanks for watching. I'll end this video. Goodbye.